Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with this epic Kroger Simple Truth 5x digital coupon event. Yeah, so excited for this. Love these 5x digitals that are not complicated. Now, this is a strictly Kroger brand event, so it is very simple. But this is really good for those of us who are really trying to be more health conscious this year, or you have to due to dietary restrictions, which is the most recent thing for me. I've had to change a lot of my diet and it's been very costly. So when I saw Kroger was putting out this event, I was so excited, and there are some really good items on this. So I went through the store and took pictures of everything I saw. Keep in mind there were not tags up on a lot of the produce items, so you might find more of those yourself. But I'm pretty sure I got everything else in the picture. But I am human, so I might have missed a couple things. But the gist of it is here with prices listed and everything. So yeah, but this is not it. I did a main Kroger video about the best couponing deals this week that you got to check out. That's the one that has the most deals. This really isn't deals related. This is just, this is not just deals. This is just the 5x digital. So go check that video out to see all the best deals at Kroger this week. So, yeah, let's just dive right into this 5x digital event.